Hey there, today I'll show you how you can send USDT to Tonkeeper wallet. Uh, for this, you first open your Tonkeeper wallet app, then log into your account. After logging from the home page, scroll down a little bit, then you will see an option USDT. Click on it. Uh, After click on it, you will from here you will see an option send, receive and swap. um, just select receive from here, then you will see the wallet address of yours, and you can copy it from here, then share it to your friends where you get USDT from. So there is another way to get USDT. So for this, open your Tonkeeper wallet app. Then you will see a section buy and sell here. Just select it. After select it, you will in the buy section you will see a bunch of options of USDT. For example, select a new crypto, then select open new crypto, and from here just enter the amount how much you want to purchase, and it will show how much you will get as USDT. You have to pay by Visa credit card. Then after select buy now and follow the prompts to buy USDT to your Tonkeeper wallet, and that's it. That's how you can send USDT to your Tonkeeper wallet.